Alright guys, so I am up here in Eatonville, Florida, and I am trying out this smash burger. Look, y'all see how it look? Doesn't it look good? Yes, babies. Check this out. Alright guys, now we added the ketchup. Smash. Alright guys, yes it is fresh and hot. Y'all, I even got me some sea moss lemonade. And now for the bite of the burger, y'all. I definitely taste the barbecue sauce. It's mushrooms on here and it's some Swiss cheese. It's really good. Yes, y'all, this is good. Good, good. And there's other food trucks out here as well.